In the new publication, researchers have emphasizes on the idea of mega-conservation of widespread, common species like aspen over traditional and single-species conservation. Aspen forests have been greatly affected by favoring high-value timber trees, domestic and wild herbivore mismanagement, fire suppression, mining, etc. 14 leading aspen ecologists from 8 countries were assembled to the issues related to aspen. Aspen forest is not the only potential keystone communities that require mega-conservation. Sage-steppe lands in Europe and North America, vast taiga forests of Eurasia and Eucalypt forests across Australia are other potential keystone communities. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steam Daily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.